Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about strings, specifically about string indexing, string slicing, different built-in functions we can use with strings, operators we can use with strings. We also talked about methods which are available in the string class for us to call upon string objects. So yeah, if you haven't seen it, check it out. It's my last video and the link would be displayed somewhere up here on the right. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to talk about formatting in strings. Okay, so we are going to talk about the format method. To explain that, I'll start with an example. So let me quickly write this assignment statement. This is a shorthand to assign multiple variables values at the same time. So 2 will be assigned to A and 3 will be assigned to B here. I'll add these quickly and I want to print something like sum is sum. Now obviously I can't do this because I can't concatenate string with an integer and it's going to give me an error. So what I can do is I can use format method on this. I can call my format method on my string object. This is my string object. Now this string object has to have a placeholder, right? And this needs I need to pass the argument to it. I'll pass our sum to it so that the value of the sum would be substituted here in place of my placeholder. That's why there's a placeholder, right? If I print this, I will get my desired output. My sum is 5, right? Now I can easily pass multiple values also. For example, I can do something like sum of this and this. Okay, oops, this is this. I can call my format method on it. Since I have 3 placeholders, I need to pass 3 arguments, so I'll pass my 3 arguments. Perfect, and I will print my text, right? And this is gonna give me sum of 2 and 3 is 5. Notice that I have passed the arguments to the method in the same order as I want them in the placeholders of my text, right? So A is gonna be substituted here first, then B, and then sum. So what I can do is I can pass indexes to this placeholders also. Let me quickly copy paste this. If I pass indexes to it, maybe I'll pass 1 here, 0 and 3. Okay, now this placeholder will take the value of the argument which is at that index when I'm calling the method, right? So A is at index 0, B is at index 1 and sum is at index 2 here. So here I'm using index 1, so it will get the value of B. Here I'm passing 0, so it will get the value of A, right? And this will get the value of sum, right? If I try to print it, you will see the result. See? Right. Now I can even pass keywords to the placeholders. For example, I can do something like this. My order, I want right, and I can print it. Now since okay, I'll pass keywords to this. Here I need a color and here I need a thing, something. Okay. So now I need to call this method using keyword arguments. Okay. So in place of color, I need a red colored, what do I need a red colored? Fine. I need a red colored car, right? If I print this, I need a red colored car. Using the same object, I can, again, I'll call it using keyword argument. This time I need a yellow colored uh, bike, right? So you can see that this makes it very easy to print something again and again, and there's reusability of um, code, and it allows you to format the selected parts of the string very easily again and again. Okay, so this was before Python 3.6. Of course, you can use the format method still after Python 3.6, but when Python 3.6 came, we got the improved version of formatting strings, and that is f strings. So for that, the syntax is very simple. You just have to write f in front of the string, and you can call this an f string. So what I can do is I'll just declare this variables. Forget about this. I'll say number 3. Say things car, and I will print my f string. I just need to write f in front of my string. So I'll print I want. I'll just pass my variables into this placeholders, and it can print it. Now notice that number here is an integer. Still, it wouldn't have a problem, and it will give me my desired output. Now these placeholders are evaluated at the runtime. So you can even pass expressions inside them. For example, I can do something like sum of 2 and 3 is 2 plus 3. I'm sorry, inside the placeholders, right? And if I run this, it will evaluate the expression and then it will print 5. So yeah, this was about formatting strings. If you liked it or if it helped you in any way, make sure to give me a like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Until then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.